Oppo is preparing the latest Reno 13 series. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The device appears to feature a curved edge AMOLED panel. The screen measures 6.7 inches. Supports Full HD Plus resolution. With the addition of an octa-core CPU in order to deliver the extreme performance. Most likely, it may also offer up to 120Hz refresh rate and features an in-screen fingerprint scanner. With the massive internal memory of 512 GB, it will be 12 GB of RAM. The smartphone will land with MediaTek Dimensity chipset and an octa-core CPU. Oppo Reno 13 Pro offers a large 6.7 inches OLED touchscreen display. While on the back side, there will be massive camera sensors. There is a 15 megapixel main camera. That's all for now and thanks for watching.